So here I'm going to create some drawings inspired by Pablo Picasso. So some examples of his work on here. To get me started for the inspiration, I'm doing a series of continuous line drawing from photographs where I'm keeping my pen on the paper all the time and doing some fairly quick drawings of people and then filling a page. And I'm moving on to doing a blind drawing. So here actually I'm looking at the model but not what I'm doing. As you can see, the distortions are starting to be more accentuated. Once I've got a series of drawing, I've isolated one here, the one on the right, okay, and I'm copying it lightly onto a small sheet of paper and exaggerating the features on here. So you can see I've added some kind of Cubist style things, made the eyes bigger, the lips a little bit bigger, and added some geometric shapes and distortions in there. Once I've done this, I'm just looking at the work of Pablo Picasso on here and how he's shaded some of these areas on there and showing the sort of texture, hatching, cross-hatching, and the type of shadings he's used on them. Some kind of checked patterns and scribbly patterns on there, using it on there. Once I've done this one, I'm going to use a second one. Here I'm using the more distorted drawing with the eyes that are uneven at different levels. And copying down my sheet of paper and then highlighting the main shapes on there. Him doing the second eye profile to show those different viewpoints as Pablo Picasso did on there. So same on here, accentuating some areas and using the same mark making and the shading that is used in his drawing on mine, and creating some geometric shapes on here. And here we go. I've used a mixture of intuition and observation here, and used my continuous line drawings and blind drawings as a starting point for those sketches.